Hi guys, in this video we will introduce how to adjust the focal length and focus of these two analog cameras. Okay, now first let's try with this zoom camera, and we can easily find two adjustment screw holes on each side of the camera. Focus is for adjusting the focus and zoom is for adjusting the focal length. Now let's power the camera and connect it with the monitor. We can see the image on the screen, and the image is with 9 milliliters focal length, which is the farthest focal length of this camera. We can use a small straight screwdriver to adjust the length. Let's adjust the focal length into the nearest one. And then let's adjust the focus until we can see the clear image from the monitor. You can choose different focal lengths according to your own need. The image you can see is with the nearest focal length. Compared with the image with the farthest focal length, the viewing angle is larger and the objects become smaller. Okay, next let's try with this box camera. This is an outdoor waterproof box camera with 2.8 to 12 milliliter lens. We can do the adjustment of the focal length and focus at the bottom of the camera. Okay, let's start it. First, also let's power the camera and connect it with the monitor. The image now we can see is with 2.8 milliliter lens. Let's open its protecting cover at the bottom of the camera, and we can find two adjustment screws for zoom and focus, just like what we did with the zoom camera earlier. We also can use a small straight screwdriver to adjust the focal length first, and then adjust the focus until the image on the monitor becomes clear. Okay, now the image you can see from the monitor is with its farthest focal length, and we can find the viewing angle is smaller compared with the image before with the nearest focal length. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.